Ice caramel macchiato. Dyson vacuum. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I have class and I am vlogging because I'm going to meet my friends. I'm gonna meet Mai and Sanjog, so I haven't seen them in a while. But yeah, I'm gonna go and meet them for coffee. We're gonna go to this coffee shop called Saya Cafe. I will go and diffuse my hair because it's still wet and I don't normally diffuse. I don't diffuse my hair every day. In fact, I like almost every time I let it air dry, but today I just want, actually, because I'm planning to make a TikTok video and I don't want my hair wet in that video, so yeah. I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys later. I've been wasting my time. Oh, girls, the air. Girls, the air. I'm guessing I was too scared, baby. Maybe I just thought you'd say no. Whatever the reason for it was pretty stupid, I'm sure. And now you got me going crazy. Every time you walk through the door, no matter how much you give me.
Oh, you parked properly. You're not parked properly.
Maybe May.
Make a parking or leave.
Is he parking in two parking?
He's parking in two parking.
Okay, that's fair. Really fair.
Hello?
Mom?
There's nobody.
Oh, that's so pink. Hello. Hello. Yeah, this is it. It's okay.
Red velvet.
Yeah, whatever you guys want. Oh, you're so cute.
I'm gonna sit in your place. You have to find it.
Want me to go?
Bro, can we take a photo? Can we take a selfie? Okay, but say hi first. Hi, this is May, this is Sanjog. It's recording, it's been recording this whole time. Okay. This is so cute. I wish I met you sooner. What? There's a tea in a teapot. I'm getting iced coffee because I'm a coffee person. Can we put it? But you look like a Barbie, you know? Yeah. You look like a Barbie. We're all wearing pink.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I pour you some tea?
Wait, I don't want you to lose your card.
Can I start?
You put sugar on your tea?
Yeah.
You know?
No. Wait, what the heck?
Sometimes.
That is a normal practice though.
Yeah, like I love her. Like, really weird.
Yeah. I didn't know. I thought you just drink bitter tea.
Yeah, that sounds like what?
Not all teas are like nice. Some of them are bitter. Yeah. I don't feel it.
I love
You
your
guys
cake.
hear me? Can they hear me?
Yeah, they can.
Which
so
one?
whatever you're.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's open.
But they can hear me.
It's not
Yeah,
nice.
no.
Alright.
Can I book in this for a photo?
Oh, I love that chat.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Guys,
Oh, I didn't film it.
it's you.
May looks like a child. I'm so sorry. I love you so much.
Okay, then. I feel a bit violated.
Okay.
I like your ice drink espresso.
Yeah,
It's the
dude.
best thing ever. She couldn't breathe without the ventilator.
Why are you staring at it? Eat it.
Yeah, I was like, why is she?
Did you take
I thought you wanted
Yeah,
to
I
take
took
quesadilla?
Yeah, I took two. So these two are
I took
yours.
two.
It's two?
Yeah, these two are yours.
Not even zero.
It's like, what?
Hey, what?
It's like,
May's slippers are giving up. Bye bye, Saya Cafe. Sorry we're so loud.
They don't go out much.
We don't go off much. We're at Wessel 51. It was such a good food. I'm home now. Hero ruined my bed and I'm gonna go to do shower because I literally was out, so I need to go and shower. He ruined my bed. He's such an ass. What are you doing, bro? I'm gonna take a bath, but I'm trying to go sanitize my stuff first. Yeah, I'll do that. But good night, guys. Good morning, you guys. It's a Friday morning. It's 9:45 and I woke up at 9 because I slept late last night. I was watching Warang and I got addicted to it, bro. It was so fucking good. So yeah, I slept late and it's a weekend anyway, so it's okay for me to wake up late. Right now I know I have a makeup on, but we're going out. I have a busy day today, so I'm trying to vlog it. What are you doing? I was trying to open my cabinet. I'm ready. I know this is my favorite pants. I'm gonna show you guys my fit later, but I'm ready. Bro, I spent like 20 minutes in the fucking toilet, bro. And I haven't even had my coffee. Bro, my stomach really violating me like that. I would like to know why. I told you guys I'm gonna go and, you know, put my clothes on and get ready. And then I had to go to the toilet and I was there for 20 fucking minutes and I don't even know why because I haven't had my coffee yet. Why you gotta do with me like this, bruh? And this is my fit. Say hi.
Hi, vlog!
Oh my gosh. We're going. We're going. Filipino brand. I think I want to get some bra. They got all of this, but it looks like a kid's bra. Bro, my titties already look like the titties of a kid, so why would I? But it doesn't have underwire. It doesn't have underwire. I'm gonna get some Starbucks because I haven't had my morning coffee. I'm with Mama. Starbucks. What you want?
Sure na lang ako sa'yo kasi mamaya pa.
Okay. We're getting some. Yeah, we're getting sandwich. This. Some avocado. Hi. Grande cafe mocha. And then one iced caramel macchiato venti. Yeah, no, venti.
Venti.
Yeah, venti.
Ice is hot.
Yeah, iced caramel macchiato.
Mocha is hot.
Mocha is hot, yes. Yeah.
Coffee strong medium.
For iced caramel macchiato, strong please.
Strong coffee.
Yeah.
And sandwich.
This Starbucks is so cute. They've got this. This is mine, chicken avocado.
Daddy, kamayin mo na.
Ice caramel macchiato. I don't know what mom got. It's turkey and cheese.
No?
No problem.
And we have been looking for the coffee filter Chemex pour over because we are running out of the filter. So I went there and they finally have the stock, and I'm gonna tell my dad because they literally went straight to Sheriff, and we're going there to get some vacuum. Like, I'm literally here. Yeah, we're gonna buy a vacuum because the one that we have is currently, I don't think I'm allowed to vlog here. We're gonna go buy some. I think my dad's planning to get the Dyson vacuum, so we'll check that out, and after we're probably gonna go to iCoffee to get the pour over. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go in because people are looking at me. Mama, say hi. We shopped for Dyson vacuum. I'm gonna show it to you guys when they deliver it, and I'm going to unbox it. Oh, I can't put it here. No, I cannot. I think here is good for some reason. We're here at iCoffee. I got that. That's my coffee machine, the mini Essenza. It's over. He's so annoying, bro. We're here again. We're getting some takeouts for Carl and my sister because we didn't get them any and we ate here.
Video mo habang lumalabas siya.
Ano ba yan? Starbucks? Patay gutom? Nagre-record ba to? Finally! We're at Max. We're getting 5 boxes of the chocolate crinkles. And can you give me 1 cream cheese brownies?
One single?
Yeah, just 1 single. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Sorry? I just wait for my parents because it's so hot in the parking lot. But look, there's so much more with them. Okay guys, that's basically it for this vlog. I am going to end it right here. And it was an eventful day. We've been in the mall for like about 3 hours and we're gonna have lunch now because we haven't eaten. We had breakfast in Starbucks, but that is not enough. Yeah, so we got some food from Max and we're gonna eat. And yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So as I said, we bought the Dyson vacuum and I'm gonna be having a separate unboxing vlog for that. Maybe I will upload it mid next week, so if you guys want to watch that, definitely go check it out. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.